Yeah. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about taking a break. Sometimes I had to check up on my son. He just coughed. So sometimes, I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's windy, but sometimes you go through work the whole year and there's no time for a vacation. Sometimes you take your vacation, but it's still not enough. You know, I just want to encourage you guys, especially all the hard workers out there, people who are just like in the hustle daily. Please take your break, especially if you live in areas where there's a beach. Just go to the beach, take a walk, enjoy the scenery. Like um if you say for instance you think you don't have any time to or whatever, how about um making the time and like maybe before work, maybe skip an hour or two of sleep and just walk on the beach and just meditate and take in the beauty of your surroundings. And just like you'll see a different perspective and you'll have a different perspective on life. And to be honest, you'll be healthier. And it's like pressing that reset button, to keep going. So that's one of the reasons why I did this little mini vlog for you guys. I just wanted to talk to you guys because I'm in one of those that's been like always going and didn't have any time for myself. Didn't even have time to do YouTube videos and stuff like that. So yeah, my son is behind me. He's here. The whole fam is here except for my dad. But it's important to just take the time out for yourself. Joseph, come here, please. My son is running off, and my sister have to run after him. He is one of those where he's Mr. Busybody. He's all over the place. No, it's okay. So, anywho, he went in the water earlier, and he wants to go in there again. So, yeah, I just wanted to like pour out my heart to everyone. Like, take the time for yourself and stuff. Do something. Whether it's a walk at the park or something, just to enjoy the beauty of life and the scenery and everything, because you have a lot to live for and you have a lot to give thanks, for. And a lot of people don't realize that. They think that, you have to have $1 million house, a nice car, and things like that to be happy. And you don't have to, and you don't need it, just to let you know. So I just wanted to like encourage somebody with this, because being here, I'm enjoying it so much, and I just want to give you guys a piece of the pie. My family, my YouTubers family. You guys deserve something like this. So if you're in an area where, even if you're not in an area where you don't have a beach or something like that, you have parks, you have movie theaters, even recreational centers, and all kinds of things. Take advantage of that wherever you are, because this is a short life. You only have one life to live, and some way somehow you can only you can make yourself happy. No one else, nothing else. Only you can, and these are ways of resetting, hitting the reset button. And no words can really describe it. You just have to go out and do. So that's my little encouragement to everybody. You guys know I'm at the beach, so I'm loving it. I'm just enjoying myself. I haven't gone in the water, which is like pointless. I mean, that's the point of going to the beach. Like, I'm gonna stick my feet in there, in a little bit, Yes. The water. He's excited about the water, and it's nice and cool, So yeah, my sister are in the background. And yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. So y'all stay tuned. Love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you in my next video. Peace. Hi. What are you doing? You taking your train to the water?